Hey everyone, today I want to talk about a distressing story that's been making headlines in Manipur, India. It's the tragic tale of Angom Prem Kumar, a 36-year-old man who recently took his own life while living in a relief camp. Prem Kumar was displaced due to the ongoing ethnic conflict between the Meitei community and the Kuki-Zo community. Imagine losing your home, your livelihood, and being forced to live in a relief camp without any certainty about your future. It's a harsh reality for nearly 50,000 people in Manipur. Prem Kumar, originally from Bijang village in Churachandpur district, was living in the Kwakta region, a buffer zone between Churachandpur and Bishnupur districts. He was a daily wage worker doing handyman jobs to support his family. His wife and two children, aged 9 and 11, relied on his earnings, which were barely enough to cover their basic needs. And his wife's asthma treatment added extra financial strain. His younger brother, Neopik Angom, shared that the mental distress of their situation was unbearable for Prem Kumar. Living in a prefabricated home in a relief camp with no source of income, the weight of uncertainty and financial burden led him to this tragic decision. This isn't an isolated incident. Just a few months ago, an 83-year-old man from the Kuki-Zo community also took his own life in another relief camp. The common thread here is the lack of adequate support and the overwhelming sense of hopelessness these displaced individuals experience. The Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has highlighted the emotional toll on these people. During a recent visit, Rahul Gandhi, the opposition leader, met with the camp residents, offering emotional support and emphasizing the need for peace. One resident poignantly asked, "How long can we stay like this?" It's a question that speaks volumes about their plight. The government must take decisive action to address the root causes of this conflict and provide sustainable solutions for those affected. Without intervention, more lives may be lost to the silent yet devastating toll of mental distress. Thanks for watching, and let's keep these stories in mind when we think about the broader impacts of conflict and displacement. If you or anyone you know is struggling with mental health issues, please seek help. There is always hope, even in the darkest